So, what am I doing here? Well, super simple. I'm touching, just touching the trem or the whammy bar. And the way to really integrate that into your playing, you just take the end note you play, right? So you go whatever lick you're playing or whatever line. So you just have, at the end of it, you just have that, well, that little sad one. Of course, it works really well in minor. But the trick is to not overdo it, to just do it at a level where you just get that extra sadness. We don't know where it's coming from. It's just, you know, and it's so easy to do actually, because what you need to play the note, bring it down just a little bit, and then stop it before you bring it up again. You don't need to, don't need it to go, yeah, just, you know, it's the cat's tail again, right? You need to go, and so I do this. And then I lift my finger at the bottom of, and the bottom isn't very deep, right? It's just like, see if you can emulate that sound. It's like a whale, right? And you can of course exaggerate it in the beginning so you can really hear whether you're doing it or not. But the trick is to stop when you're at the bottom of the bend or the dive, you could say, right? And then if you can do that, and you can also, right? So just lift your finger slightly from the string and that will mute the note. Right? And then be very subtle about it. And then in order to integrate this into your playing, you need to remember to do it every single day. Whenever you play solo, you do that. You remember it. Put it on post-it notes everywhere. So you remember to use that trem every single time you practice. Add it into your playing. Do it for long enough where you have that rule of using it over and over again. And then it will become automatic when you play. My name is Claus Levine, if you didn't know. Don't forget to subscribe and go download the free course just in the description here. And hope to see you in one of the other videos popping up on the screen.